Are you suffering with thinning hair? Well, PRP injections and microneedling can really help. And we are doing a PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, treatment for hair right now. Go ahead and start. I'm going to start right over here, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, little poke. So we're just going to put little injections of PRP all throughout her scalp. Keep going back here. You okay? And it doesn't take a whole lot to cover a large area. And it does take a little bit of time though to see the results, because the platelet-rich plasma, the platelets, will signal to your stem cells to migrate to where they are. And your stem cells will see that they're in the scalp, and they'll help those suffering hair follicles make thicker, healthier hair. So that's how platelet-rich plasma works, but as everybody knows, hair doesn't grow that fast, so you have to be patient with it. We're just going to keep on. Let's go up here next. I'm going to come up here now, okay? Procedure for PRP, for the scalp, I like to compare to gardening. And I always say that the shampoo that we give you is helping your soil or your scalp be healthy. Then the PRP itself is like planting seeds. Then we're going to microneedle, which is like rototilling. We'll show you that in a little bit. And then we use some serum, which is, I'm going to come up here now. Serum is like fertilizer. And then we give you a laser cap, which is like the greenhouse. So all of that together really works synergistically to help bring back some healthy hair. And it's not a lot of options for hair out there, but this is a good one. I've seen it work especially great for women. And we don't think about women as having hair loss, but there's a huge percentage of women, I want to say it's something like 40% by age 40. It's crazy, don't quote me on that, but that have hair loss. So it's not only a man's issue. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to put down my blower for a sec, and I'm going to put your platelet core plasma, remember this stuff? Yeah. I'm going to just put that all over you now. Just rub it into your scalp. Now this is, turn a little, good. So we drew her blood, we spun it down, we threw out her red cells. Don't tell the blood bank. We threw out her red cells, and then what was left over was all her serum. So then we concentrated the serum. We spun the serum again, and that separated out her platelets, come on down, from the rest of her serum. And so we injected her platelets, but why not use all this other great serum to help our treatment work better? So I'm just massaging this into her scalp, and now we're going to do a little microneedling, and then she'll be done with me for today. Doing awesome. So great.